Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate your Hey Google option into a Motorola Razr 2022. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Next, in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose Settings. Next up, go into Google Assistant option, and here first option in the list will be Hey Google and Voice Match. Go into, and now need to tap here on this feature to activate your OK Google. Now you give access to your assistant, tap Next and I agree. And how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use, tap Continue. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.